guys, Jeremy Levee here from Watkin Motors, beautiful Vernon, BC. We're gonna do a little walk around on a custom 2018 F-150 XLT that we did. So we got sport hood, body kit, fender flares, side moldings, 2 1/4 inch ReadyLift level kit up front with a 3-inch block, 20-inch Mayhems with some 33.5 inch BFG KO2s. We'll do a little walk around up front here. Got some nice LED lights in the bumper. And of course, you've already heard it, that beautiful Flowmaster exhaust. Let's go take a listen. Gotta love that. Come see us, 250-545-0611 or watkinmotors.com. Any of us on the sales team would be happy to help you. Have a great weekend, guys.